So if your tap is leaking, that means you turn off the water and it's dripping here, that means the cartridge is faulty. To replace the cartridge first, you'll need an Allen key and a circlip plier. So first, remove this knob by twisting it. Next, inside here you will see the Allen key screw. There. So use the Allen key to remove it. So after removing, be careful, do not drop the Allen key into your sink, so I recommend to cover it. So next thing is, you see inside here there are like 4 stands or legs. See this? So what you need to do is you use the circlip to push it. Yep, just push. Here. Okay, once it's loosened, you can remove it. So this is the cartridge. So what you need to do is, first thing you can take out, make sure the washers are all intact here, then rinse it under water.